Recording.
Arthur! Nope, woman.
There's Fred.
Fatty. Hey.
Hi, Fred.
Hi, Fred. Arthur, give it up, dude. Come here. Hey. No. You're keeping me out of this, right?
Maybe. Oh. Hi, Fred.
Please keep me out of this. I know my hand.
Hi, buddy. Hi, Fred.
My hand, please. Arthur! Hey.
Oh. Fred launched.
Hi. Hey.
Fred or Arthur. Oops.
Do it, Arthur. Do it.
Oh, he's scratching his butt. There we go. There we go. Oh my God.
Arthur's doing the butt dance with his vigor.
Okay, I am going to bed. That means shut the hell up.
You know I'm recording this, right?
Here, shut up.
Arthur. Yes, dear. Good night, honey.
Pillow face? Minnie? Hi, kitty. Oh my God, that was perfect.
Can I help you?
She just like, oh, very subtly turned her head. Minnie.
Arthur. There we go. Where's the remote? Nobody's watching this. I want to watch what I want to watch. What? Ghost Whisperer? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. You never know what I'm going to do because I'm a mom and you just never know. I'm pretty unpredictable. And get that thing out of my face.
Nah.
Scratch the butt, Arthur.
This is funny. And welcome back, Fred. Hi, Fred.
He is so...
Brother. Hi, Freddie. Hey, come here. No? No.
I'm done with you now.
Hi, Arthur.
You probably went to your leg.
Arthur.
Pants on. They scratch better.
Hi, you.
Yeah, I don't have fur from one end of me to the other. Of course, I have hairy legs, so it should scratch better, right? Overshare.
Oh, this is so going on YouTube. Along with our other ones.
I need to find my sleepy pills. Oh, they're on the counter. Are they? Yeah. Turn that stupid thing.
Wow, you have really white legs, dude.
Shut up. Apparently they're white legs that are very furry.
Wow, feel sorry for Jean.
Oh my God, really? It's bad enough he doesn't like me wearing shorts because I have the glare.
Yeah, no one likes you wearing shorts because you have the glare.
Shut up. I have mother's legs. Shut up. How did I get pulled into this? Did you put your 2 cents in it? I did not.
Freddie! What are you eating?
Anything he can find?
Pretty much.
Kind of like me. Okay, where?
What are you looking for?
Why are you recording me raiding the refrigerator? Really? Dude?
That's awesome. Freddie!
Is that really necessary?
It is. Fred!
Not necessary.
Hi, cutie! Hi, Arthur!
People caring. You know why? Because I can.
You're weird, huh, buddy? Kiss me. Say bye!
Please stop.
Say bye!
Bye.